Namaste and a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. This beautiful festival is all about honoring Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the god of new beginnings. But did you know that in yoga we also have a powerful hand gesture dedicated to Ganesha? It's called the Ganesh Mudra. And today I am going to guide you through everything you need to know about it. Whether you are dealing with stress, emotional blockages, or simply seeking more strength in life, this mudra can help you tap into your inner power and clear away obstacles, just like Lord Ganesha himself. Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated to honor the birth of Lord Ganesha, who is known for his wisdom, intellect, and ability to remove both internal and external obstacles. On this day, we pray to Ganesha for good fortune, knowledge, and the strength to overcome life's challenges. And what better way to connect with Ganesha than through a practice dedicated to him in yoga, the Ganesh Mudra. Just as Ganesha clears the path for new beginnings, this mudra can help clear our inner blockages and bring us peace and balance. Let's talk about the symbolism behind Ganesh Mudra. Like Ganesha, this mudra represents strength, resilience, and removing obstacles. It's not just a physical practice, it's an energetic and emotional one as well. When we clasp our hands together in this mudra, we are symbolizing the pulling away of barriers in our lives, both mental and emotional. The pulling motion that we use in this mudra mirrors Ganesha's act of removing obstacles. It represents the tension we often experience in life, the things that weigh us down, whether it's stress, fear, or emotional baggage. But when we release the tension in this mudra, it's a reminder that we have the strength within to let go of what no longer serves us. And that's the key theme, letting go of negativity and embracing our inner strength. Now let's move into how to practice Ganesh Mudra. I'm going to break it down step by step so you can follow along. First, start by sitting comfortably, either cross-legged, on the floor, or on a chair with your feet planted firmly on the ground. Take a moment to center yourself, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths in and out, calming the mind and body. Now bring your hands in front of your chest. Your right palm should be facing outward, away from your body, and your left palm facing inward towards you. The third step, clasp your fingers together, creating a firm grip between your hands. Imagine that your hands are symbolizing the tension or obstacles that you want to release. Fourth step, on the next inhale, pull your hands apart, but keep them clasped together. You will feel a stretch across your chest, particularly in your upper body and shoulder. This is the physical manifestation of your strength, resisting the pull. Fifth step, as you exhale, release the tension without letting go of the clasps. Relax your hands but keep the grip. This represents the moment of surrender, where you let go of stress and emotional blockages. Sixth step, repeat this process for at least 6 breaths. Inhaling and pulling, exhaling and releasing. With each breath, visualize yourself removing the obstacles in your path, just like Ganesha clears away the challenges. This mudra does not just engage your hands, it engages your heart and mind. With every pull, you are accessing the courage and resilience within you. And with every release, you are letting go of what holding you back. Now that you know the physical practice of Ganesh Mudra, let's talk about ways to enhance its effectiveness. One of the best ways to deepen your connection to this mudra is through breath awareness. When you inhale and pull your hands apart, imagine yourself drawing in strength, courage, and resilience. With each exhale, as you release the tension, visualize the obstacles in your life dissolving. This simple act of combining breath with visualization turned this mudra into a powerful tool for inner transformation. Another way to enhance this mudra is to set an intention before you practice it. Ask yourself, what obstacles am I facing right now? What do I need to let go of to move forward? When you practice Ganesh Mudra with intention, it becomes a deeply personal experience, helping you connect to Ganesha's energy and invite positive change into your life. So why you should incorporate Ganesh Mudra into your practice? Let's explore the benefits. First, opening the heart chakra. Ganesh Mudra is particularly beneficial for the heart center or Anahat chakra. This chakra is all about love, compassion and emotional balance. By practicing Ganesh Mudra, you are helping to release emotional blockages that may be weighing you down. This allows you to open your heart to more love, kindness and forgiveness, both towards others and yourself. Second, releasing tension. Physically, Ganesh Mudra works wonders for relieving tension in the shoulder, chest and upper body. Many of us carry stress in these areas, and by practicing this mudra regularly, you can release built up tension and improves mobility in your shoulder. Third, building courage and resilience. On an emotional level, this mudra helps build inner strength. Life is full of challenges and sometimes it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Ganesh Mudra reminds us that like Ganesha, we have the power to overcome any obstacles. By focusing on the pulling actions, you are building mental and emotional resilience, allowing you to face life challenges with confidence. Fourth, connecting with Ganesha's energy. As we practice Ganesh Mudra, especially during Ganesh Chaturthi, we tap into Ganesha's energy for new beginnings and overcoming obstacles. It's the perfect practice for those moments in life when we feel stuck or uncertain. With each breath, we release the old and invite in the new. You can practice Ganesh Mudra anytime you feel stuck, stressed, or emotionally overwhelmed. It's especially helpful during meditation or pranayam sessions. Try adding it into your morning routine to start the day with strength and clarity. You can also practice this mudra when facing big life changes, decisions, or challenges. Ganesh Mudra is a reminder that you have the power to clear your own path, no matter how difficult it may seem. Ganesh Chaturthi is the perfect time to invite new beginnings, clear obstacles, and embrace your inner strength. By practicing Ganesh Mudra, you are aligning with the energy of Lord Ganesha, removing blockages, building courage, and finding balance. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more yoga practice and spiritual guidance. Wishing you all a blessed and joyful Ganesh Chaturthi. Until next time, keep practicing, stay balanced, and embrace your strength. Namaste.